Every pop-up drink stand owner should be watching three things closely this year: functional beverages with added health benefits, hyper-local and seasonal flavors, and mobile ordering with contactless payment options, because these are what customers are actively searching for and choosing over traditional sugary drinks. Functional drinks are beverages that do more than taste good. They include ingredients like adaptogens, probiotics, or electrolytes that claim to boost energy, calm your mood, or help digestion. This matters because customers today are not just thirsty, they want their drink to work for them in some way, kind of like a mini wellness boost in a cup. A lesser-known fact is that many successful stands are now offering a small menu of add-ins, like a shot of ginger or a scoop of collagen, letting customers customize their own functional boost without the owner needing a huge new product line. Seasonal and hyper-local flavors also matter a lot right now, meaning drinks made with ingredients sourced from nearby farms or tied to what is currently in season, because this creates a story customers want to share and photograph. Something not everyone knows is that rotating just one seasonal special every 2 to 3 weeks can increase repeat visits significantly, since people come back just to see what is new. Lastly, having a simple mobile ordering system, even something as basic as a text-to-order setup, reduces wait times and increases average ticket size because people tend to add extra items when ordering from their phone instead of standing in line deciding quickly. One common mistake stand owners make is overloading their menu with too many options, which slows down service and confuses customers, so keeping it to around 6 to 8 core drinks with a couple of rotating specials is a much smarter approach. Another issue is ignoring social proof, meaning owners forget to actively collect reviews or user-generated photos, and a simple fix is offering a small discount, like 50 cents off, for anyone who tags your stand online. A third caution is underestimating cash flow needs during slow weather days, so setting aside a small buffer fund each week can prevent panic when sales dip unexpectedly. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.